Hi, welcome to this video brought to you by Impellix. Today we're going to talk about HTML5 forms and semantics. So when we're looking at forms, we're dealing with input fields. So fields like name, email, website, phone number, and a submit button are on most of your typical forms. So when we look at name, we have an ID we can give our name input field, type equals text, and we've made it required. We have the option to make this field required or any other field. We have an email type, so we make an input field with type email and required and placeholder. Now placeholder is kind of like a watermark to kind of guide the user to direct them as to what type of format you want them to input their data. So here I put you@yourname.com, which is a very descriptive way to ask the user to put their email in that type of format. It shows them the information that we want them to enter. Website, we have type equals URL. Again, placeholder text is good. And we've put a placeholder in as www.yourwebsite.com to again guide the user as its type of information and format that we want them to enter their data in. We have a phone number type, so type equals phone with a pattern, and we've given it a regex pattern for how we want the phone number formatted. And a submit button, which again type equals submit and value save the record. So when we build our application in Visual Studio or any IDE you use, we type this in and we build our application and run it. These are the results. We have an HTML form that kind of looks like this, with name, email with the watermark placeholder text, website with the placeholder text, phone number, and our submit button. So when we submit this right now without entering any data, we get a validation message, and that's kind of given to us under the scenes, under the hood. So we don't have any extra coding. We've made a name required, and now we get a validation message when we submit nothing, which is great. We don't want empty forms submitted. If we type in a name, say John Doe, and we put some text in the email address, because it's a type email, we get a validation message saying that, hey, this is not an email address. So again, this is done for us under the scenes. It's easier to do with HTML5 because it's there for us. And that's it for today. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please tweet about it or share it with your friends. And thank you very much. I hope you enjoy this video and watch more videos.